So I just want to do a quick video. That's our power tank system. I just aired up all 6 tires in under, I think it was five and a half minutes. Got 35-inch tires. I think these are 32s in the trailer. And everybody's using their different air compressors. So just a good option if anybody wants to think about the power tank system. It's very efficient. I think you can air up all my tires probably like 12, 13 times from 15 psi to 35 psi. We just got done doing the Burns Canyon Trail. Spent the night up there. I had a wonderful time, except for my flat tire. But that's all part of it. We were prepared.